So guys, it's Bubble Boy with Graveyard Cars. Some of you may remember me, some of you may not. Basically, I was like Doug's right-hand man. He just taught me a bunch of stuff because I'm young and I don't know anything. But basically, Mark is out there filming right now, so we're gonna see what's up with that. But we have to be quiet because y'all know, Mark's getting old, all right? So he gets a little grouchy. We don't wanna upset him because if we're too loud, they'll have to redo the shoot and it's like a problem. So let's go check it out.
There they are, they're getting ready to film right now. So, we'll see how this goes. They're making sure Mark looks good for the camera.
Ready for your interview, Doug?
No.
So they're doing Doug's lit interview, but this is some of the stuff that we have going on in the shop. Oh, what's up, Jeffrey?
What up? I think you got a fan here.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry about that. We had a fan come by, so we gave him some merch. Speaking of which, this is our merch shop here. I mean, we have a little bit of everything. We have, you know, hats, hoodies, t-shirts. If you guys ever want to come by and, you know, pick up some merch, you're more than welcome to. I think our address is on Google, so y'all can stop by, say hi, see what everyone's up to. But yeah, let's see what's going on in the shop. So I know Brian's been working on this. Of course, it's like everyone has their hand in it, but I've just seen him assembling it a lot. This is a one of one, which is, I mean, super badass, and it makes the worth like way more. Super unique. I really like the car. We have this. Brody actually just painted this. It was his first ever stripes he's painted, so it's pretty sick. Dylan, Mark, Doug, everyone's kind of been going to work on this one. Up here, this is where we like store all of our parts. There is so much stuff up here. It is wild. I mean, as you can see, we have aisles of things. It is also crazy hot up here. I don't know why, but like, walking around, I'm out of breath. It is so hot. Different like cleaning gear products, that type of stuff. I mean, it's literally, it's like a little store in here. It's pretty cool. Shelves and everything. Then back here, just like some more products that we have. You know, cleaning stuff like brake cleaner. I know you guys know the secret to brake cleaner. That stuff cleans everything. It is a charm. Oh baby, it works. I just went through the body shop. I was gonna film in there, but to put it lightly, it's loud as hell. But here we have like some painted cars and stuff. You know, they're kind of like the cars that are next in line. Super sick. They're protected, of course. Never want to ruin them with rain or anything over time. But yeah, they're pretty cool. I mean, it's just the bodies and, you know, certain parts for the cars, but they are super sick. All right, guys, so we got Dylan here. He's gonna tell us like what he's working on right now.
Yeah, this is a piece for this car. I don't remember the technical name for it, but it's a piece that rides right along here. There's a front and a rear piece on both sides, and right now I'm working on the front.
Nice.
And essentially, all I'm really doing is just polishing the stainless on it and getting it ready to actually be put on the car.
Yeah, so we're here with Mark. He's working on a fitting right now.
Is Dylan here?
Yeah, he's over there.
Hey Dylan, these pieces, what car did you borrow these from? Were these off of the 68 Coronet? The pieces that go right here?
Yeah.
These come off 68 Coronet. That's funny because there's absolutely no hole in either one of these panels for this thing to get screwed down to.
Really?
So it just slides into this molding and it slides into that molding, and that is insane.
Oh, great.
And if I take this...
Look at who it is.
Why do you laugh all the time nervous like that?
You're a funny guy, man.
Well, I know I'm funny, but I mean, you just laughed at...
I just laugh at everything.
It's good for guys like you who aren't funny, right?
Pardon?
You heard me. A little. Okay.
Oh, geez, this guy's moving fast. He's quick at an old age.
What did you just say about me, fool?
Oh, I said you're quick at an old age.
I'm not old.
In your prime?
Just now starting my prime, yeah.
Alright, what's up guys? Here with Brody.
I'm masking off these doors. The inside for a lot of B bodies go black, and the outside here that you're gonna see will be the color of the body.
So what part is this This is yellow?
This will be yellow.
Okay, sweet. So fun fact, Brody and I have been friends since, what, like 3rd grade, so, and now we're both 23, so friends for a while.
Yeah, it's pretty. Now, he said I'm just going to roll it forward and back, no bumps. Just going over every bump there is. It's going to hit. It's going to cut a hole in the tire. He's going to say that tire was cut already. Oh, well, boy, I just don't know.
Hey, you know, you could always let me test drive the cars.
God, no.
You know, that could be a good idea.
God, why is this mother? Oh.
I'm in the parts room because I'm gonna grab a mask because I'm gonna go with Brody when he paints yellow on those doors. But the car that you just saw getting drove by Brian, it has no brakes. So thank God he got it to stop, but he has to bring it back in and work on that until he can go on a test drive because, well, for obvious reasons. Hot in here, man. Oh my God.
I'm gonna do these. If you want to stay here, you can. If you don't.
Okay, yeah, for sure. How a day is here at Graveyard Cars. I know this is a little bit different than the content you guys are usually, you know, seeing, but we wanted to mix it up a little bit, show you guys something new. So if you guys do enjoy this type of stuff, then let us know, and we'll try and make more videos like this. And if you don't like it, then also let us know so we don't do it again. But thank you guys for all of your support. You know, we appreciate all of you for supporting the show for so long and everything else. And yeah, we will see you guys later.
Hello Ghouls, Mark Warman here, the Ice Tray from Graveyard Cars. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. We have fantastic stuff coming up, and some of it you've never seen before. I gotta go insult people. Hey Alice!